te, do, mi. Then you go up to sol, te, do. Same thing. Same fingering. Do, te, sol, mi, do, te, sol, mi. You know?
That's a cool way of breaking it up.
If you know the notes, fa, mi, do, la, fa, mi, do, you know, or mi, do, te, sol, mi, do, te. Then it's
I
easy.
got you.
Do, te, sol, mi, do, te, sol, mi, sol, te, do, mi, sol, te, do, sol, mi. Up and down more or less. Sol, mi, sol. And then after 8 bars, you go in the second region. Sol, mi, do, te, sol, mi, do, te, do, mi, sol, te, do, mi, sol, mi, sol, mi, do, te. When you go in the third region, I jump up to the C here. Do, te, sol, mi, do, te, sol, mi, sol, te, do, mi, sol, te, do, sol, mi, do, te, sol, mi, sol, te, do, mi, sol, te, do, sol, mi, do. Then you could go back if you want, you know. You learn the note names. You can do it much slower. I did it very fast.
Yeah.
And then what you can do is connect everything, because we have this diagonal way of going up and down, which I told you. This I call the highway. Right, this is what connects everything, because you can play it fast, up and down. And what you do is you play like a walking bass, and then you say, okay, I'm in the third region. Let's see what happens if I stay in the third region. So you go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. I go back 3, 4, 1, 2, but I stay here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I go back 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So you start to see that you have one way to go up really fast on the instrument, and you have a way to connect them in each region, you know?
Yeah, I've seen other players, I think, with that system, and you see them working the different regions like that. And I've always seen it as kind of thumb and down here, and this middle region has not been established like the way you put it. And I think it's just candy. It absolutely is. I can see it already, you know. I got to get it on my fingers, but I see what you're saying as such a versatile, powerful, for walking, for soloing, for taking the different regions and allowing to be able to. It's cool. It's really cool.
Good.
I see it. I see it.
André, can I post this? This is like the nicest statement I got lately, you know?
Go for it.
That's nice. That's nice. Yeah, because, you know, you got it. You understand what we're talking about.
And what I love about this is it's requiring me to use the both brains, you know, so it's even helping me learn to sing songs, like actual singing while playing. Yeah. And keeping end time and intonation. It's amazing. It's I love it. I love this.
Great. Very good.